Is this the best organic fertilizer? Most people think that all organic fertilizers work the exact same way. But after discovering this, everything changed. You get greener, stronger, and faster growing plants in weeks.
The video opens with a powerful side-by-side comparison of two plants. On the left, a weak, yellowing plant struggles with small leaves. On the right, a vibrant green plant stands tall with large, healthy leaves. The screen displays the text "Best Organic Fertilizer," with a red arrow pointing to the weak plant and a green arrow pointing to the healthy one. The message begins by challenging a common belief that all organic fertilizers work the same way. The narrator explains that after discovering one key difference, plant growth completely changed, resulting in greener, stronger, and faster growing plants within weeks. The surprising part is that many of these solutions are already available at home.
Stop focusing only on feeding the plant and start feeding the soil instead. Healthy soil is alive. This single shift becomes the foundation of better growth.
The visuals shift to a close-up of rich, dark compost being held beside ordinary garden soil. A hand squeezes the compost while macro shots reveal active roots growing beneath the surface. The screen displays quick growth tip. The narration emphasizes a simple but powerful principle. Stop focusing only on feeding the plant and start feeding the soil instead. Healthy soil is alive, filled with billions of microorganisms that break down organic matter into usable nutrients. Without this living system, even expensive fertilizers cannot deliver full results. This single shift in understanding becomes the foundation of better plant growth. The video transitions to compost piles being turned, earthworms moving through soil, and plants showing clear before and after growth differences. The text on screen reads "Compost equals soil power." The narration explains that compost is one of the most powerful organic fertilizers because it slowly releases nutrients while improving soil structure at the same time. Instead of providing a short burst of nutrition, compost builds long-term soil health. It works by increasing microbial activity, improving moisture retention, and helping roots expand more effectively. This turns ordinary soil into a living, nutrient-rich system that supports continuous plant growth. The visuals show a developing underground root system spreading through the soil. The narration highlights that strong roots are essential, but they alone are not enough for explosive plant growth. A deeper layer of nutrition is still missing, setting up the next section.
Recycling your kitchen scraps is easier than you think. Banana peels and eggshells make a powerful organic fertilizer. Give your plants a boost with this simple hack.
The scene shifts to banana peels, eggshells, and kitchen scraps being collected and processed into organic fertilizer. These are later applied to healthy vegetable plants. The text reads "Kitchen Fertilizer Hack." The narration explains that everyday kitchen waste can become powerful plant food when used correctly. Banana peels are rich in potassium, which supports flowering and fruit development. Eggshells provide calcium that strengthens plant structure. Vegetable scraps can also be composted into nutrient-rich organic matter. However, a common mistake is placing fresh scraps directly around plants, which can attract pests and temporarily reduce nitrogen in the soil. The correct approach is to compost them first for safe and effective use.
Often called black gold, worm castings are the ultimate plant food. They are packed with immediately available nutrients and beneficial microbes. Watch your crops thrive with this natural.
The visuals highlight worm castings being poured around plant roots, with close-up shots of earthworms and thriving green crops. The screen displays 3 worm castings. The narration introduces worm castings as one of the most powerful organic fertilizers available. Often called black gold, worm castings contain beneficial microbes, balanced nutrients, and natural growth-stimulating compounds. Plants that receive worm castings typically show stronger root systems, deeper green leaves, and improved resistance to stress. This is not magic, it is pure biological activity working in harmony with the soil ecosystem.
Here's my HortiHack comp formula. 30 found per tack corpsings. This combination feeds your plant and your soil to your natural.
The visuals show compost, worm castings, and mulch being mixed together and applied around tomato plants. The text reads HortiHack. The narration introduces a simple but effective formula: 60% compost, 30% worm castings, and 10% organic mulch. This mixture is applied around the root zone every few weeks to continuously feed both the plant and the soil ecosystem. Over time, this method builds long-term soil fertility and creates a self-sustaining growing environment that supports healthier and more productive plants. The final visuals show a beautiful garden, filled with harvested vegetables and healthy plants. The narration invites viewers to share which organic fertilizer works best in their own gardens. The video closes by encouraging viewers to subscribe for more science-based gardening strategies. The final message reinforces the core idea: massive harvests do not start at harvest time, they begin with the foundation of the plant, deep in the soil,